everyone. I will read poem number 4, Hummingbird. High and high, up to the sky, hummingbirds make a nest. Made a net in the tree, in the flowers they stay. Nectar is what they want, going up and down in the air. Backwardly they fly. In and out sit the nectar, round and round they fly. Little glad tiny little thing. Spring, sunshine is everywhere, pretty flowers too. Rabbits are eating carrots. I watch them chew and chew. Now I can hear the birds sing. Good, the winter is through. Thank you, everyone. (2011 New Year's). No homework needs to be done. Eventually, school days are finally gone. We get together at grandmother's. Young children get red envelopes, eating, playing, and sleeping. All we do is having fun. Rabbit signs are everywhere. Thank you everyone listening for my speech. Hello everybody, my name is Lucian. Today I will read 2011 New Year. 2011 New Year. No homework needs to be done. Eventually, school days are finally gone. We get together at grandmother's. Young children get red envelopes, eating, playing, and sleeping. All we do is having fun. Rabbit signs are everywhere. Spring, sunshine is everywhere. Pretty flowers too. Rabbits are eating carrots. I watch them chew and chew. Now I can hear the birds singing. Good, the winter is through. Thank you, everybody.